Alright, so I'm about to start putting the 3 drawers in. I figured I'd spare you guys the I'll spare you guys looking at the process of assembling the drawers again. If you're curious how to do that, check out my last video up here. But anyway, I just spent the last 30, 40, 50 minutes putting together these 3 drawers very slowly because I was watching a show. But anyway, I'm gonna put up the rest of these drawers. What I've been doing between the 2 trays down here, right, the 2 trays down here, I've basically been counting 8 dots up and putting it on the 8th dot, so that they're spaced enough for me to be able to put shoes without them being obstructed at the top, which is why I purchased just that one, so I can make sure that I test and make sure I put shoes in test here. But anyway, I'm about to fast forward through the next part. Obviously not in real life, but as I edit this, and let's see how high up it goes. I am now down to wallpapering the last section, and I'll be doing, I need to remove these shirts and place the wallpaper behind them. I'm going to, is it my next trip or the trip after that? One of these trips, I will be buying another glass shelf to put above. There's going to be glass shelves all the way across here, but I wanted to make sure that I put this wallpaper and be done with it. And that's it. Actually, it's not the last place I'm wallpapering because I have a little bit left on this side as well. If you look at the bottom there, there's missing wallpaper. I've been taking the scraps and just like piecing it together because it's not super visible. So in total, to do the wallpaper for all of these, I used about 4 rolls of this wallpaper. I will put a link in the description below so you can check it out. But yeah, again, if I didn't say it before or you didn't see it, when you're putting wallpaper, especially in these cabinets, please just pre-cut it. It is a lot easier than trying to fit this piece there without it being cut at all, and then having all this left over. It's just a mess. Just pre-cut. So I'm gonna lay down this first piece, and then I'm gonna measure whatever distance is left and just go and cut the second piece to size, so that when I unpeel it and put it down, there shouldn't be that much left, or it should be exact. But that's it. Now I'm about to fast forward through that.
I like the way I'm feeling, can't touch this feeling. I'm I'm in my feelings. Batman, me, I handle my dealings. Ain't no bag I can test. When I'm moving, nobody can test me. Man, I really complex. Them man, them I really can test me. Way, I put it down. Jagaban, them I call me number one. Understand, man, I put them on the run. Can't understand, never putting on the show, on the road. Man, I give them on the go, on the pole. Man, I ringing up the show on the low. Man, I killing up the show, let them know. Man, I cooking up the flow. I like the way I'm feeling. Can't touch this feeling. I'm in my feelings. Batman, me, I handle my...
Alright. So as you can see, this mirror needs to be hung because I would not be able to fully use these drawers. But once it is flat on the wall, it should allow for full access. Do I have the energy to hang it today? I don't think so. I see a little bit of damage here, but it's fine. It's part of like the wood aesthetic. But I love it! What do you guys think? I think it looks really nice. So, yeah, I think I'll hang it to be in line with this. So I'm gonna have to draw out some lines and put out my lasers, make sure that it's hung in the right place. There's actually instructions on the back on how to hang it, so we'll go from there, but it's probably gonna be another day or in a few hours. Let's see. Alright, so I'm gonna mount this. Fortunately, like, I got a few things to help me do that. I got these like bumper correct. What is this? 20 bumpers so that I can put them behind the mirror so that they don't scratch up the wall and it can have a little bit of buffer. And then I bought these self-blurring picture hangers. I could only find them at Lowe's, so I had to just pop over there and get them. They say 50 pounds. This mirror is only 26. I'm just getting some extra reassurance that it's not going to rip out of the wall. I still need to use anchors with these because this is mostly drywall. It has a stud because I checked for a stud like right in the middle, but I don't want to hang from there. There's two D-rings on both sides that I want to use to put one hook in each D-ring. So I'm about to fast forward through the next piece. I also got a leveler. Ideally, I would also have masking tape, but I don't have any, so I'm kind of just gonna wing it. Wish me luck.
You can balance it, check and balance it. No one bad man see, check and balance it. You put me on the low, you put me on the road. Bad man let them know, nobody have to know, nobody have to know. Interconnected style, Lagos to Joburg, them and them they feel your vibe. Interconnected style, Lagos to Joburg, them and them I go the mile. Girl, bad man they feel the way you whine to the rhythm and the bass. Move to the rhythm.
Oh, let's hold that straight. It's straight. It looks so good. Okay. It's semi-equidistant. I think that's good enough. I had to put these in here because they were in my closet before, but I think they look better here. I have no real space for them in my current closet now, so they're in my office. I also have some shoes in here which I'm about to move into my main closet because that shelving is ready to go. And I also have some accessories. This ultimately is going to go on the shelf for my jewelry and my perfume. I have a jewelry tray, but this I'm probably going to keep in here because I don't have space for it in my closet either. So I'm going to reorganize all of this to, you know, this corner I'm gonna call books and bags, and I'm probably gonna get a sign over there that says books and bags instead of my name, and I'm gonna put my name in my closet above the mirror. So stay tuned for that. I'm excited. As you can see, I've put a fluffy rug here. I have the mirror here. It all looks really good. I'm excited about that. So I'm gonna put these shoes in there and get set up. All right. So I'm gonna put these nicer ones up front. Oh, it barely fits. Okay, let's just move. And they're all big feet. Oh, that's so good. It's a little tight fit. I think it looks good. Alright. I guess I can fit one more pair here, but I probably will not try to fill that. Dang, my workout shoes are dirty! Last but not least, I'm just putting my Fendi headband there. This drawer is going to end up being for belts. I'm just putting my preemptive in here, but there's going to be a dividing grid that goes in here. And all my belts and tools will go in there.
It's written in the stars what I see. She a tell me say her boyfriend YC.